Hey, it's your boy Tiger Crane Boxing. I'm out here chilling and shit. Shout out to me. Oh, sticker fell off. You know, wearing my work shirt. For obvious reasons, I'm not showing where I work. You know, I ain't giving them niggas a check. But anyway, shout out to me. Got my first car. It's an 03 Mustang. I'm out here driving like. Yo, red shirt, red shirt. What, you got a boyfriend? Oh, all right. Okay. So today, I'm going to show you guys how to refill a Zippo lighter. Got this cool Jack Daniels Zippo lighter from some local smoke shop, you know. As you can see, it's empty. So let's change that. I got some Zippo lighter fluid. As you can see, you can pick this up wherever, any smoke shop, gas station, or whatever the fuck. So basically what you want to do is you want to grab your Zippo, open it. You want to pull out the insert, like so. Put that piece away. Oop. I'm about to get sued out here. You want to grab this, and you want to open it somehow. Aha! Here we go, here we go. And you want to turn it upside down until you're seeing this part. Alright? And most times you're going to have to open up this flap here, but since this is one of the bigger ones, there's a hole already there. So you just put this directly in the hole, like so. And you want to fill it until it starts to drip out a little bit on the bottom. It takes a little bit more than you think, but I mean, not a crazy amount. So there we go. You see the drips? Boom, boom. Alright. Be careful. You might want to give it a little wipe down real quick. You know, you don't want to blow up. Like such. Fuck. I'm gonna just put on fucking another shirt next time. Grab this piece, put it back in the right way. Like so. And it should light. Fuck you, lobster.